how to add tags to your YouTube videos in mobile. Firstly, when you open up your application, you need to tap on your right upper side, or as you can see right down, you have that plus icon on the third selection, the create section. Just go for it and go upload a video, then go allow access and get these permissions on, and then select the video which is related on your interest, for example this one. And as you get on that selection, if you scroll down, you can find out all these sites from which you can add description, you can add title and all that stuff. And as you go next, before you get to all these selections, you can upload the video. But before you upload the video, as you now get back and turn again that selection, you're gonna see that if you go again for uploading a video, and if you select the video which is related on your interest, if you go add description, or simply if you go also on the title setup, but I will go for a description because from there you can add tags. Simply go for that tag selection, select for example, I don't know, for example try, and as you can see now we have got that trending hashtag with that setup on tagging someone. I can also tag whatever I want, for example trending and all that stuff. And if I go on that selection, as you can see, you can take again, and that's it guys.